So I built this website called restoringtheman.com. The initial purpose of the website was to start to put out the idea we got to go back to doing human things. The machine wants to take over, the AI and all that. Kids aren't learning how to talk, and kids aren't learning how to write anymore. The chat GPT is writing their papers. So I saw this coming, and I think going back to the dirt, going back to doing things with your hands is a way to heal. It's not just getting people to work hard, like people say, oh, nobody wants to work, but it's selling the idea of using these things called hands to put your mind in a better place. Also, what else does it do? It teaches you that you can do things. Like, you're not beholden to a contractor. You're not beholden to somebody fixing something that you have at the house that's broken. Like, you tackle problems with your brain and your hands. That's a good thing. It saves you money. But also, when you start looking at the idea of land, dirt, farming, it brings people together. It naturally creates community, especially if you're selling your milk and your meat and your eggs and your stuff to the public. And where are you going to sell it? Right around where you are. What does that create? Community. There's no better way. You can talk about revival and preaching and people gathering. That's all been done before. There's been revivals. But if you build a farm-based community place, what are you doing? People need to come back for the milk. People need to come back for the eggs. People need to come back for the meat. So you're supplying the health and welfare, the physical needs of a local community. And if you add the spiritual component of a gathering that you would call church, where people get together and pray and study, and you do older people teaching younger people training, and you also add the element of an Airbnb where people can come from far away for a week or whatever and experience the farm thing, the dairy farm experience, and it's in a beautiful setting where you have incredible views and you're watching cows graze and milk, and it's going to do something to the world. It's going to be a tremendous stamp on society. And it's so simple. And it's basically going back to the dirt, back to the Garden of Eden, preparing the earth for his return. He's coming back.